Oh, dang. Hey, yeah, we can go inside of it.
Anybody in there?
Any spirits?
Anybody in here?
Yeah, come on, Josh, go in.
I ain't going in there.
Oh, cook in the chicken.
Hey, shine right there, James.
There's a bat. There's a bat. Let's get the hell out of here.
No. That bat ain't gonna scare me.
Michael, look. Shine right there. Look how long this hole is.
Yeah.
Shine right here.
Spooky as hell.
What the hell? Somebody went crazy.
Somebody had $20 hell.
Hey, that's cool. Great, man.
There's bats in that back room.
I am not afraid of the big bad
We can't
bats.
get back there anyway because then we'll get better.
Come on.
This might be private property.
It might be.
Like I say, everybody go through these bandit warehouses all the time.
They vandalize. There's a bat.
Somebody take a picture.
Look at that shit. Look at that bat.
I ain't afraid of big bad bats. I've been around bats.
Somebody take pictures of it.
If you allowed to let something like this mess with y'all, you ain't gonna get nothing done.
What's bad at?
There's a bat in there. Look at that, man.
Look, I think you thought this was Andy. Look. They got the money.
Oh my. Look it up in here. Ooh, look at the bat.
That's a
Oh,
bird.
that's a bird to me.
Hey, look at the bird in there.
Look at this.
It's flying around.
Oh, check that out. Check that bird out. Oh, look at that. Ain't that cute?
There's a window back here.
Aye.
Oh.
Oh no.
Let's get the hell out of here.
Come on, y'all.
Yeah, man, that's a damn hummingbird.
That's a bird.
That's a bird, y'all.
Hold on. That's pretty. That's a pretty bird. They might be afraid of it. I'm not scared, dude. That's right. Give me a birdie bird. Hey, birdie bird. Birdie bird. Hey, birdie bird. That's what happens. People get scared. Scared of the big bad wolves. Ooh, a fireplace. See, me, I'm not scared of nothing. I'm not scared of nothing, guys. I'm a real man. I'm a real man. Ah, dang. I'm about to break my... like this. This is a bathroom. Alright, I got to go, guys. Everybody's getting scared around here. I'm not afraid of the big bad wolves. See the guys outside there. They're not like a real man like I am. Well, anyway. Well, time to go.